What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this makeup look right here. So colorful. I am so feeling this look right here. This was actually kind of inspired by myself. Makeup kind of look for work one day, which I'll post the picture right here. I posted on my Instagram a couple days ago and I was like, you know what, let me try to recreate that but for beginners. You are just getting into makeup and you want to learn how to do like colorful looks without looking too crazy in a way, this is very, easy. It's crazy because you're like, wow, that's just a lot of color, but it really isn't. It's just the placement of where I put my shadows and the liner, and what makes it is the lashes too. They're very soft and flirty, and then the skin is nice and glowy, and then just pairing it with a nude lip, I think you could get away with that during the daytime. It's not summer anymore, but I'm so still feeling like summer vibes. But so what, like there's no rule to makeup. You could wear bright colors during the fall or winter if you want to. Get into this video, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you're not already, and hit that notification button right down there as well so you don't miss out any of my videos, which I post 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, every week. And yeah, so if you love this video, please thumbs up and let's just get right into the video. So I'm gonna go through my face pretty quickly, so I'll kind of just say that you can go down to the description box and just see my updated foundation review. I do like different techniques all the time, but it's basically like the same products that I always use that I love. And my review on the new Benefit brow contour pen will be linked down below as well. So I'll just let the music play for you guys. Off with my Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero palette. I'm using that shade right there to put that all over my lid. And then using my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, I'm using that yellow shade right there. And I'm focusing this in the inner corners of my crease. And then for the next shade, we're going to use that orange that's right next to it to focus this on the rest of the crease area. So these two are like my transition colors, but it's going to make that rainbow kind of effect, which I really love. Then I'm taking that pink shade from that palette and I'm going to buff that on my lower lash line using a shader brush. And this is super easy, you guys. I use like 3 colors and a nice blue pencil. This is by Marc Jacobs. I put that into my waterline. And then I'm using that Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero highlighter shade, and I'm applying that into inner corners of my lids. Then I just go back in to define the colors again after I apply mascara because I'm like, I need to make it pop a little bit more. Then I'm applying some lashes to my lids. And that's basically the completed look, you guys. It's super easy. You can recreate this in like 5 minutes. It's literally 3 colors. And I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.